Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit evergreen filter on your images using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos and videos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure -0.60 f. Bring the contrast -67. Highlights -23. Shadows +46. Whites +47. Blacks +51. Go to curve. Follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the temp -17. Bring the tint +18. Saturation -26. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue +15. Saturation -15. Luminance -15. Next go to orange. Bring the saturation -10. Luminance +2. Go to yellow. Bring the hue +10. Saturation -26. Luminance +10. Next go to green. Bring the hue +20. Saturation -40. Luminance -20. Go to sky blue. Bring the hue +10. Saturation -35. Luminance +1. Next go to blue. Bring the hue +6. Saturation -25. Luminance -25. Go to purple. Bring the hue +20. Saturation -45. Luminance -15. Next go to pink. Bring the hue +30. Saturation -30. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity -5. Bring the grain amount +4. Size -19. Roughness -7. Go to split tone. And bring the hue to 230. And saturation +3. For highlights. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening +10. Radius -0.60. Detail +11. Noise reduction plus 10. Color noise reduction plus 30. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorials. See you next time. Have a great day.